With the WNBA Finals concluded, the New York Liberty secured their first championship in franchise history, edging out the Minnesota Lynx in a thrilling overtime Game 5. Beyond the courts, all eyes will now turn to the off-season, where a crucial decision awaits. The WNBA Players Association is widely expected to opt out of its current collective bargaining agreement, or CBA. The potential move is fueled by a mix of factors, including a surge in viewership over the season and a mid-season signing of a lucrative broadcasting rights deal. But why is collective bargaining so important, and what rights do employees, especially unionized workers, have? So what is a collective bargaining agreement, or a CBA? A CBA is a contract between an employer and a group of employees, typically represented by a union, that determines the terms of employment. These terms can include wages, benefits, working conditions, and other work-related matters. CBAs provide a framework for negotiations, helping ensure that employees' voices are heard and their rights are protected. For employees and unions, the CBA is crucial because it serves as the foundation for workplace rights. It outlines how disputes should be handled, provides protections against unfair treatment, and creates a path for employees to negotiate on equal footing with management. The importance of CBAs in professional sports, like leagues such as the WNBA. CBAs are not just about salaries. They also shape how players live and work, affecting everything from maternity leave to healthcare. For instance, a significant part of the WNBA's recent collective bargaining agreement included provisions for players' family planning and paid maternity leave, which was a major advancement for the women's professional sports world. With the WNBA gaining more visibility and increasing revenues from TV deals, players want to ensure they're fairly compensated and that their working conditions reflect the league's growth. The anticipated opt-out from the current CBA could lead to renegotiations that focus on revenue sharing, better travel accommodations, and further health benefits for the players. Under U.S. labor law, the right to collective bargaining is protected by the National Labor Relations Act, or NLRA. This law ensures that employees can form unions, engage in collective bargaining, and take collective action such as strikes. However, the landscape is complex. Not all employees are covered under the NLRA, especially those working for the government, or otherwise independent contractors and some supervisors. Yet private sector employees, like those in professional sports, have strong legal backing for unionizing and engaging in collective bargaining. Now, why does this matter for all employees? While the WNBA's situation is unique in its visibility, the principles of collective bargaining apply to all industries. Whether it's in sports or other sectors, employees use collective bargaining to secure fair wages, benefits, and safe working environments. Given the growing interest in union representation in workplaces such as Amazon and Starbucks, understanding the role of collective bargaining agreements is ensuring workers' rights have never been more important. So in conclusion, as the WNBA heads into an off-season where players will negotiate their future, the broader discussion on collective bargaining's impacts on workers continues. Whether it's about securing fair wages, better working conditions, or sharing in the success of a growing industry, the Players' Union reminds us that collective action and negotiation can change the game for employees everywhere.